And now we're heading to Reach Falls. I can't wait to show my family this because I consider this to be the best waterfall in all of Jamaica. So, very excited. The good thing is we're in Portland already, so it should only take us about 45 minutes to get there. Of course, anytime we're going to Reach Falls, we have to stop by the cliffs in Long Bay to take in the magnificent waves here. Usually beaches and oceans in Jamaica, it's pretty calm. But here it's really rough, and it's always rough. But it's always so magnificent to see it. Check them out, they're taking their pictures of water. It's really good. Right, so I'm here with my family, as you can see Rick in the back there, in Reach Falls. And my son is already losing his mind over how clean the water is. Okay, and we head down to the main waterfall. Alright, so here we are in Reach Falls. That's the family there taking a swim in the shallow area. And that's the magnificent main waterfall in the background. We're going to relax here a little bit and then we're going to take a walk up to the caves. We're here on top of Reach Falls. This is the main fall behind us. And we're just relaxing in the very clean, very clear water here.
Whoa!
So the ladies have stayed behind and the boys continue the adventure up Reach Falls. We've climbed up a little bit, swam that past the kind of deep crevasse area, and now we're in the kind of stream area where it's very low, and look how clear, it's like a piece of glass going through. So we reach that part of the hike where we're up on the bank. So we're walking along the river, but on the bank, heading up to the cave. Bush vibes. Alright, so we finally reached up by the cave. That's one entrance. There's another entrance in the back there. Falls, the big cave. Woo!
Yeah!
Yeah! I'm so excited. I finally have my son in this cave. It's just so good. The battery ran out in Reach Falls, sorry about that, but I think we got the important footage, which is the hike up the river and of course the cave, which I think is the best thing ever. So it was a really good trip. As I said, I'm so happy that I got to share that with my son and share Reach Falls with my family finally, and it was pretty good. Remember, there are more adventures with my family coming up, so keep tuned to this channel and subscribe if you like what you see. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one.